here we go. Monday morning, 10 a.m. Today's job is to install an Audison Forza AF processor with high-res Bluetooth connection, so hopefully I won't need many supplies on this. I don't have a lot with me. Client's house, I think an hour and a half away. So this couple is refurbished Sprinter vans so they can go live in it and travel around and whatnot. All the wires are run in the middle of the vehicle. So hopefully I'll be able to just wire it up right in that spot, tune it up, good to go. Way to do this job. On one hand, I'm thinking like, oh, it sucks, I gotta drive out here. In what other reality? I'm so fucking lucky. I am driving through the mountains right now to go to work. This is like the best thing ever. What I wouldn't have given at any point when I was in Dallas to just suddenly get to drive for any amount of time through these mountains. And here I am. This is just out here all the time. Feels good.